Today I'm cooking a simple and delicious bitter-gourd pork rib soup. It is so tasty with a hint of bitterness, perfect with rice. This recipe is for 5 servings. First, cut 100 grams of yellow onion into wedges. Then set them aside. Cut 150 grams of carrot into half and half again vertically, and then into bite-sized pieces. Set them aside in a separate bowl. Next, cut 350 grams of bitter-gourd into half and then half vertically. With a small spoon, scoop out the seed inside the bitter-gourd. Remove as much of the white fibers housing the seed as possible. Okay, all done. Now cut the bitter-gourd into bite-sized pieces. I am cutting them into 2 by 1 inch rectangular shape, which is optional. It can be any shape that you like. Just make sure it's not too small that it breaks apart in the soup. Okay, all done. As this bitter-gourd is already washed, I will leave it aside in the bowl. Next, crush 60 grams of garlic one by one and leave aside. I have 500 grams of pork ribs here. Sprinkle it with 1/4 tablespoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. Marinate it until well mixed with salt and pepper. And set aside. Put the stock pot over the stove. Switch on the heat to medium. Add in the cut yellow onion, garlic, marinated pork ribs, carrot, and about 150 ml of water, just a little to prevent burning at the bottom of the pot. Cover the pot and allow to cook for 8 to 10 minutes or until the pork ribs has turned grey in color. After 10 minutes, the pork ribs has changed color to grey. Stir to mix well. Notice that we have some gravy in the pot. This is a nice flavor from the pork ribs. Add in 1.9 liters of water. Cover the pot and set the time for 1 hour. After 15 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously. Stir to mix well. Cover the pot and continue boiling for another 25 minutes. After the soup has been boiling for 40 minutes, notice that a lot of water has been reduced. This happened because it was boiling over medium heat. Put in the bitter-gourd at the last 20-minute mark. This prevents it from becoming too soft and melt in the soup. Do note that I didn't wash my bitter-gourd with salt to remove the bitterness. This makes it more delicious as the sweetness from the pork ribs and carrot balance it out. Add in 1/8 teaspoon of pepper and 1/4 tablespoon of salt. Stir to combine. Cover the pot and continue to boil for another 20 minutes. After 19 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously. Let's check on the pork ribs. Poke them with the fork. If it can go through easily, like this, it is soft. Let's taste the soup. It's perfect. No need to add anything. I will allow the stove to go off by itself as it is just 1 more minute to go. Alright, the time is up and the bitter-gourd pork rib soup is ready. Lastly, add some of the spring onions. I am leaving just a bit for garnishing. Now the delicious bitter-gourd pork rib soup is done. It can be left to rest for around 10 to 15 minutes for the spring onion to infuse their flavor into the soup and for it to cool slightly. or it can be served right away. Let's eat! Tender, tasty, and very delicious. The natural sweetness of the pork matches the slight bitter taste of the soup. Let's drink the soup too. So comforting and warming. The soup is tasty and sweet with the hints of bitterness. It's perfect for a warm meal with the family. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye.